Aloha, you're watching F5 at AWS reInvent 2015 from the Venetian Sands here in, where are we again? Oh, Las Vegas, how's that? A couple of months ago, we announced the F5 Ready program, and I'm thrilled to have Brian Pickering. He's the Regional Vice President for Cloud Partners. Great to see you, Brian.
Peter, always a pleasure, always a pleasure.
So can you tell us a little bit about this F5 Ready program?
Absolutely, appropriate place. So we're at AWS reInvent this week. There's only 20,000 people here, and we're getting a lot of questions. Hey, does F5 run on AWS? I thought you guys were hardware. We're like, absolutely, F5 runs on AWS. We are a software company. The same software that runs our hardware is available on AWS, Azure, all the major cloud providers. F5 Ready is a way to help our customers understand what platforms F5 is available on. We've validated the cloud platforms. We've got the support organization behind it. So one of the things we've done really well is we've allowed for license mobility. And if a customer goes and spins up a VE, they can take that and go run it on the cloud platform. And they know that if it's F5 ready, it's been validated and tested.
Yeah, and we've had a lot of customers this week even asking, we're trying to replicate what we have in our traditional data center out in AWS and other clouds, and this really helps them accomplish that, doesn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely. And one of the trends they're seeing in cloud right now is that a lot of people think of cloud as it's only net new applications. There is a lot of lift and shift happening. So companies, big enterprises want to take advantage of the benefits of cloud. They're taking these applications and these environments and lifting them, shifting them, putting them into the cloud so they can immediately start capitalizing on those benefits. And then they're going through the process of let's re-architect or refactor, remodernize some of these applications over a longer period of time. This is a great way for them to take all that skill set they have in F5 and apply it to now the cloud world that they're firing up to do this lift and shift.
And I imagine being, a cloud provider being F5 ready would provide some peace of mind to our customers. Would that be some of the benefits right there?
Absolutely. I mean, these are the cloud environments that we've taken and we've tested our software on. We've validated these environments. So we know that it works on these environments. Like I said earlier, the license mobility. So if you have an on-premises big IP VE version and you want to take and run that VE in the cloud, you own that license. You can go run that in the cloud, but if I'm the customer, I want to make sure the cloud I'm going to go run it in has been tested and validated by the manufacturer, us F5, and that's F5 ready.
And then provide our support behind that in addition to it.
You bet, you bet. We've got to have that world-class support organization saying, yes, we understand where you're running, we understand the nature of that environment, and if you get into trouble, that's why you have a support contract.
That's right. So how do people find out more about the F5 Ready program, Brian?
It's all over the place on the website. We've got links to it on the website, and it's a real easy, when you find it, there's the beautiful logos of our partners that we work with. Yeah. And we try and make it easy. Our sales teams all understand the program. They leverage it to see which providers, when they hear a customer ask about a provider, they know that they're an F5 ready provider. And we all march in the same direction.
Thanks a lot, Brian. So a lot more about the F5 Ready program. You might have heard about it over the last couple of months. I really appreciate your time, Brian. Always good to see you.
Always a pleasure. Thanks.
So I got Jeanette behind the lens from my buddy Brian. Where you going? Stay in frame. I'm Peter, and we're with F5 Networks. Thanks for watching.